The purpose of a joint-to-joint mobility is to ensure that all joints move through the full range of motion. You can see we go through starting at the top, the fingers, wrists, elbows, shoulders, and so on. If you think about every single joint, it has a range of motion that it should work through. When things are dysfunctional, those joints start to lose mobility and motion. It doesn't mean that we should have excessive motion at the joints of the body, but we should have a normal and healthy motion. Part of your neurostructural restoration is obviously dealing with the motion, position, and health of the joints of the spine. Those joints play a significant role in the input of information through the nervous system to the brain and from the brain back to the body, hence why we deal with those on a day-to-day basis. As you can see, we've gone through cervical range of motion, shoulder range of motion. We're now dealing with the shoulders and the scapula. As we go through from the side, you can see that motion that we're talking about. And then we move through the hips from side to side motion and go directly into hip circles. We can go in one direction and then the other. Now we're moving through this relatively quickly. You can spend more time, think 5, 10, 15 movements in every single position. We're now moving through this motion at the knee, and then we go into both sides. We move into the motion at the ankles, and that said, we should have worked through the entire range of motion, all the joints of the body, relatively quickly. And this is something that could be done every single day as part of your morning routine. Really, what we call our daily spinal hygiene, just like you would with your teeth.